What's up? This is the eighth world of the wonder. Today, I'm going to be talking about my newest asset added to my DNA Level C index fund that I'm creating from scratch. Um, just attempting the impossible. I mean, what else is there to do? So pretty much, this is something to keep me challenged. Um, just creating my own index fund. So this is this index fund that I'm creating. I am not taking nothing out of it. Once it's there, it's there. My strategy: buy companies that are gonna last 10 years plus. So everything that you see is, I believe in it, 10 years plus, and it keeps growing daily. So today is gonna be Vanguard Russell 2000 index fund, and I plan on collecting the Russells, iShares and Vanguard are the two big players in the Russells. Um, I have the 2000 Russell. I have the Russell 2000 for Vanguard and iShares. I plan on getting the Russell 1000 and the Russell 3000 for iShares and Vanguard. But this is strictly Vanguard Russell 2000 index fund. So let's jump into it. This is inside my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, live. I don't look at live 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 years. Those are for the guys, the hot shot guys, the day traders, swing traders. Uh, Salute you guys. I mean, do your thing. I tried it. It didn't work out for me. It's just, I felt like I was just chasing my tail. I'm just in it for the long, slow. I'm a tortoise in this hare race, a rabbit race, I should say. So I go straight to all. This is my journey. I started on the 5th of January 2018, and then as you can see, I mean, this is a pretty nice journey. As you can see, there seems to be more ups than downs. So I mean, there's two big dips, but as you can see, it dips and then boom, just shoots up. So um, I figured that out a while back here, and then I just rolled this all the way up, and I was like, wow, and then boom, it's just this right before the summer, um, it went back down, and then now it's going up. I believe my theory is that in these months, the U.S. Treasury is printing money for the 1st of October, which is our fiscal year 2020. So our 2020 for Americans starts on the 1st of October. So this is something like mentally in my brain that I pretty much follow and start to realize, like, and I start to see more patterns when I look at it this way. The summers are slow, but I mean, for some reason, um, my all I'm up 7.81%. So um, right before Independence Day tomorrow. Happy Independence, veterans. Salute you. Because I know it's pretty much veterans. Just I have words can't explain. Me being a veteran myself, and other veterans out there, I'm hitting my heart on that one. Just, whew. All right, let's get into it. Um, as you can see, I'm at 7.81%. So it's the first time I've seen it this high in a minute. I'm up $936. My portfolio, I'm almost at 13,000. It'll be my first time hitting that. So I currently, my stocks, I own 151 assets, which they call them assets or positions or holdings. Those, if you hear those are pretty much the actual stock, and then once you start adding to them, they start to build up shares. So I have 151 assets, 6 cryptocurrencies. So those all mixed in help the portfolio, and then I think on cash reserve I got $800 out of that. So I plan on buying Amazon. So once I hit the price for Amazon, I'm gonna buy one share of Amazon. Keep that in the portfolio to get to boost up my growth, because I've noticed with tech stocks, tech's growth real fast. Financials are a nice cushion. So I pretty much my ratio is 300. I mean 300, 30% tech, 30% financials, and then the other 40% is mixed in with REITs and pretty much all the other sectors in there to balance that out also too. So I think the more riskier play is the tech, because of its growth. It can either go up or down on you. So, and then financials, pretty much index funds, it balances it out with all the other sectors. So that's what I'm learning now. Um, Probably next year I'll probably go 40% uh, tech. I just see like with the growth, but I've noticed how people's portfolio grows on TradeBase. It's an application that analyzes uh, investors with a Robinhood, with a Robinhood account. So I've noticed on there a lot of people that with high growth. Like I look at their portfolios and see their holdings, their assets, and positions, and they majority of their stocks are in tech. So that's why they have that crazy growth. Whereas mine is, I'm just pretty much invested in the entire stock market. So enough of that. Let's jump into it. Okay, the newest asset added to my index fund is Vanguard Russell 2000 Index Fund. I always go straight to the 5 year. I don't mess around. Uh, it peaked on August 31st, 2018 at $139. Current market price $125. 356 people own Vanguard Russell 2000 Index Fund on Robinhood. I bought in at 120. I'm up $4.90, which is 4.06%. Um, about v, VTWO tracks a market cap weighted index of U.S. small cap stocks. The index selects stocks ranked 1,001 to 3,000 by market cap. The market cap is 1.53, PE ratio 70.46, dividend yield 1.47. So dividends, what they pay monthly. I don't know if it's. Still have to check it out. I don't know if it's monthly or quarterly. They're usually quarterly. So I bought on the 7th of June, and I got a dividend paid at 46 cents. So, excuse me. So it pays 46 cents per share. So I'm gonna go more in depth. Just get me over here. Okay. As you can see, this is the Vanguard Russell 2000 ETF, ticker symbol VTWO, and it consists of three components: stocks, which is 2010 holdings, which is holding assets or positions. Um, there's one holdings of United States Treasury bill, as you can see, the face amount, and then the last structure is the short-term reserve component. There's two holdings: Vanguard Market Liquidity Fund. There's a 55 million face amount, and then 8.6 million. So short-term reserve. So I'm gonna go back to the stocks. I'm just gonna go over the first 30. If you want to look at the other remaining holdings for Vanguard Russell 2000, you can pretty much, as you can see, this it lists the first 30. So Etsy, Five Below, Planet Fitness, Trade Desk, HubSpot, Coupa Software, Woodward, Cree, Array Biopharma, Metadata Solutions, IDA Corp, Cinia, SACI International, Hey Montonics, Primerica, Americold Reality Trust, Ollie's Bargains Outlet, Integris, Radiant Group, MGIC Investment, Viasat, Portland, General Electric, EMCOR, One Gas, Maximus, New Relic, Essence, Southwest Gas, Nexstar, Deckers Outdoor. So pretty much, just having this index fund in your portfolio, you're getting a piece of all these holdings that are there working for you. So that concludes Vanguard Russell 2000 Index Fund. Tomorrow I'll be going over the Vanguard US REIT Fund. So another Vanguard. I'm big on Vanguard iShares and SPDR and S&P. Those are my big one go-to for index fund. And now fourth, power shares from Invesco. So now I'm kind of trickling down into power shares to balance out my portfolio. But those three, the top three are Vanguard, SPDR, and iShares. So I'm gonna go back home. That'll do it for today. See you tomorrow. Happy 4th of July. Peace.